organelle is responsible for the production of ATP during cellular respiration? Is it A, ribosome, B, chloroplast, C, nucleus, or letter D, mitochondrion? Okay, so the answer is letter D, mitochondrion. So, tiba-tibayin natin yung information. What do we mean by ATP? ATP simply means adenosine triphosphate. Okay, again, ATP simply means adenosine triphosphate. And when we say adenosine triphosphate, it is the energy storage molecule inside our cell. Ang ribosome, it's the protein factory. Dito po ginagawa or sinisynthesize ang proteins. Chloroplasts naman are only found in the plants. So, ang chloroplast, ito yung site kung saan makikita natin yung green pigment chlorophyll. Okay, teka lang po. So, ay nako, ang mga aso, opo. Okay, so ang chlorophyll na yan, it absorbs the sunlight energy and convert the sunlight energy into chemical energy. Nucleus naman, that is the brain of our cell. Why? Because the nucleus holds the DNA. Pag sinabi kong DNA, that's deoxyribonucleic acid. And that DNA contains our genetic information. Okay?